I'm a run for bitch. I got it. Please let me go. That's my child. I'm not touching. No. Stop. Please. No, I'm not resisting.
Most definitely know how to fight.
Incident type: domestic disturbance, assault, location residential property, Illinois Harvey area, date unknown, body cam footage, law enforcement response. Parties: 2 adult female cousins, co-residents, and a minor child age, 13-14 daughter of one party. Responding unit local law enforcement officers, 2+.
What happened?
So we were in the house and she over there crying over her soda. She started.
Okay.
She started yelling at me because over her soda. And then that's when I had started saying my stuff back. And then that's when I was like, you could get out. And I went to grab her stuff and I put it on the outside of my door. And then that's when what? That's when she had grabbed her stuff and put it by the door. So I said, if you don't get out right now, I'm gonna put your stuff out and I'm gonna throw it out the balcony. Can you please move?
I can say this to you.
Here. Then what?
And then that's when I said I was gonna throw her stuff up the balcony. And then that's when I put her stuff outside of the door instead of throwing it up the balcony because I was trying to be nice. And then that's when she had pushed me and she had hit me in my face.
How did she hit you?
She had her bag, she was putting it over, and then I was trying to put out the other bag and she did this.
With the bag or with her hand?
No, with her hand.
So she hit you like a fist or a slap?
Fist.
Okay. Alright, hang tight for me right here, okay?
Can I go upstairs and check on the kids?
Yeah, how many kids are up there?
It's 4.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. What's going on?
Nothing. My daughter wanted to get smart in the mouth, trying to grab my stuff and throw it out, and I took it.
Your daughter or her daughter?
Her daughter.
Okay, where's she at?
She in the house.
Okay, Demetri, can you step over here real quick? Are you good? Yeah, I'm good. So what's going on?
Okay, first of all, me and her daughter had.
And who is she?
That's my cousin too.
Okay, so your cousin. Okay.
Both of them my cousin. Her daughter was me and her had our back and forth. She told me to get out. I'm getting my stuff to get out. Her daughter grabbing my stuff, trying to toss it out the door. So I grabbed my stuff and tossed it back. As I'm tossing it back, I accidentally hit her in the mouth. But ain't nothing wrong with her. It's not like I'm finna swing on no 13-year-old.
Okay, so she's grabbing your stuff.
She grabbed my stuff and she grabbing it. She trying to shove my stuff out. I shoved it back. No, I just shoved it back.
That's my child. Is you? What's wrong with you? For mine, I will catch your case. Do you not know? Okay, I'm a run for bitch. I got it. Please let me go. That's my child.
Stop talking.
You gonna take you like you stole something for mine. For mine.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
You're under arrest.
No.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
I'm not touching. No. Stop. Please. No, I'm not resisting.
Most definitely know how to fight.
I'm just, okay. Okay, y'all can put my arms down. I can't be under no arrest.
You're under arrest for assault right now.
I didn't assault her. I didn't hear her.
When you go up,
I didn't hear her.
that's not battery. It's different.
I didn't hear her. Can I get my car?
No, I'll get it for you.
241
Boy,
I said stand by.
Okay. And I'm pressing charges.
Me and her daughter had a conversation to get out. As I'm getting my stuff, she called her stuff grabbing. Her daughter called herself grabbing my stuff and trying to toss it out the door. So as I'm getting my stuff, bringing it back in. She's trying to
Make sure these don't lock up tight around here, right?
It is.
and actually hit her. And then that's all that. She came here being asked.
This one is fine.
All right.
Can you let me go?
No.
Where the hell I'm going?
Nowhere, because I'm holding you.
But how you going to arrest me? My kids in there by themselves.
Well, we're going to figure that out now, aren't we?
No,
you
we're
want to
not.
act a fool and try to
what
go
you
after
mean?
her.
If somebody hit your Kid, what you gonna do? Look at my baby face.
Do you see us here?
Do you see my baby face?
Do you see us here?
Look, I'm the one who called y'all from the first beginning. Look at my baby face.
I understand that, but you did not even let us get to that point.
Look,
You wanna act a fool.
I wasn't gonna hit her just because I jumped.
Yeah, you coming after.
I did like that. Y'all right here, what do I look like hitting her in front of her? In front of y'all?
It don't matter.
If I do it, I could do it on my own grounds. And will, because these cuffs ain't holding. When I get out, what you think gonna happen then?
Happen to who? Happen to me?
No, not
Or
to
her?
you. Come on.
Oh, we ain't going over yet. He ain't pulling up yet.
Oh, come on, let's walk and talk, please. I swear it'll help me a little bit.
You gonna wait till he pulls up and then we'll walk and talk.
What the link card is so I can still do it's in my hand. For them.
Okay, there we go. All right. Who is that other woman to you? The one that your daughter, the one that your daughter got?
Shit to say to y'all. Cause she hit my child. Right, y'all can't pat me down. I want a female.
I can't.
No, y'all can't. I want a female to pat me down. I would like for a female to pat me down.
She came over to the station. Let's make sure there's something in these pockets right here.
Here. Can you get this to her too?
Yeah.
I don't never have shit in my pockets.
All right. We'll take a seat now.
Can you loosen this up? This one, like, look at my wrist.
Turn your hand.
Yeah, stop turning your
Stop
hands.
turning your hand.
No, I'm not.
So I'm gonna let you know right now. I'll loosen them up a little bit, but I can't already fit 2 fingers in here. That's all we need to do.
No, this one is tight.
Yeah, that's the one I'm at.
That's it.
Yeah, I'm good, dude. Take a seat, please.
What is this?
Sign a little more. Secret.
So what happened?
Okay, so basically, me and her daughter had words. I asked her, she walked to the store, I asked her why she didn't give me no pop.
Okay.
She get to getting smart, and I said, okay, you ain't got to lie, we out the van. She steady talking, so she called her mama. Her mama get the yelling on the phone, we out the van, talking about you can get out, I will get the out. So I'm getting my stuff getting out. She's grabbing my stuff. She's grabbing my stuff. Her daughter grabbing my stuff, taking it out the door, and I'm telling her don't touch my stuff. So as I got this bag, as I'm picking up this bag, she's grabbing the bag from the other side, trying to toss it to me. So I toss the bag the other way, like trying to make her like stop tugging at me. And I hit her by accident. That's it. That's it that happened.
So the bag was on you and she was trying to grab the bag
No,
off you?
it's like she was grabbing my stuff. She already tossed this bag outside. So as I'm grabbing this bag, she trying to grab that bag too. I'm telling her don't touch my stuff. So as I grabbed this bag, she grabbed it too. And I shoved the end, like just putting my stuff back in so I can grab the rest of my stuff, and it actually didn't hit her.
Okay.
Like I ain't gonna directly hit no 14-year-old. She was just grabbing my stuff, and I'm telling her don't grab my stuff. Not
So who is that in relation to you?
That's my cousin, and that's her
Cousin.
daughter. Yeah, you see how she acting. That's how the daughter act.
So are you trying to get your cousin locked up for trying to come hit you?
No, I'm not trying to get her like that. That's why I'm not worrying about her. And y'all ain't gonna worry about this no more. I ain't gotta come back around here.
Well, we're gonna wait to see what's going on.
He said no.
Cancel the Uber and get another one. She's gonna be here for a minute.
All right.
Good in there?
Huh?
Everything all good inside?
Yeah, she's just going to check on the kids. The daughter's going to check on the kids. So she's going to, the daughter's going to check on the kids up there, but she said they were arguing about leaving or whatever, and she went to go put her stuff outside. And then she went to go grab it, and she said, put yourself outside, and then that's when she punched her in the nose, and she got a scratch and bleeding right here. The 13-year-old.
So 95 was her too?
Yeah.
Which one?
Sounds like I know 95 was
Yeah,
her
she's saying that they were fighting over the bag, and she pushed back with the bag, and that's how she got hit. But then she's 13, and
All right, man. You're already under arrest for this time. Put your hands on your back for me. We'll bring this little bag with you, all right?
I need to bring all my bags. I don't know, my stuff can't stay here. Can I call somebody?
I don't care if your stuff stays here.
No, but
If you got stuff that can stay here, yeah, I'll leave your stuff here.
no, this my stuff. Y'all bringing my stuff with me, right?
All that
I
stuff,
was
Sarge?
already leaving. She told me no. That's what I'm saying. I already had a lift coming. She already told me to leave. Her daughter was trying to grab my stuff and toss it outside.
Where are you trying to go?
I was going to Harvey 15929 Loomis to my granny house in Harvey.
Is that her bag? Well,
All right, fine.
She got to grab my other bag. It's just some braid in here.
You can come back. You can come
No,
back with that.
I can't come back here and get it.
Is it a lot? Real talk, is it a lot
No,
of
no,
stuff?
it's just one bag. It's just a bag with braid in here.
Kinda like this
No,
size
it's
bag,
just
or-
a bag with braid in here.
All right. Hey, mental, you might grab mine. Yeah.
Core legal issues 1A. Criminal threatening and property destruction. Munaress. Battery on an adult. Assault on a minor ass. Lawful arrest, probable cause standard, Fourth Amendment pat-down procedure, excessive restraint, handcuff complaint, statement on record. If you don't get out right now, I'm gonna throw your stuff off the balcony. Legal analysis criminal threatening verbal threat to destroy another's property may constitute criminal threatening or disorderly conduct. Model Penal Code Section 211.3 Terroristic Threats Model Penal Code Section 250.2 Disorderly Conduct. Statement on record, I put her stuff outside and started throwing it off the balcony. Legal analyzes criminal mischief, intentional disposal or destruction of another person's personal property constitutes criminal mischief. Model Penal Code Section 220.3 Criminal mischief liability attaches regardless of whether the subject was ordered to vacate the premises. Statement on record, she pushed me and hit me in the face with a fist. Legal analysis battery. A punch constitutes battery at common law, intentional, harmful, or offensive contact. Restatement Second of Torts Section 13 Model Penal Code Section 211.1 Simple assault physical contact with a closed fist equals bodily injury threshold may elevate charge to aggravated assault. Statement on record. As I tossed the bag back, I accidentally hit her in the mouth. It's not like I was going to swing on a 1-3-year-old. End of chapter Lee. Legal analysis assault on a minor contact with a minor during a property dispute does not qualify as lawful defense of property. Model Penal Code, Section 3. 063. A force against a person is not authorized solely to reclaim personal property if it risks causing bodily injury. A minor's age is an aggravating factor in most state assault statutes. Legal analysis defense of others' mother's perspective. A parent holds a legally recognized right to use reasonable force in defense of their child. Model Penal Code Section 3.05 Use of force for protection of other person's force must be proportionate to the perceived threat. Verbal threats alone, I know how to fight, exceed permissible defense, and may constitute disorderly conduct. Statement on record. You are under arrest right now, but you can't find anything on me. Legal analysis probable. Cause absence of contraband does not negate probable cause. Officers had eyewitness accounts plus visible minor injury equals sufficient probable cause for warrantless arrest. Fourth Amendment, U.S. Constitution, Illinois v. Gates 462 U.S. 2131983, Totality of Circumstances Standard for Probable Cause, Maryland v. Pringle 540 U.S. 366203, Probable Cause Based on Officer Observation, Atwater v. City of Lago Vista 532 U.S. 3182001, Warrantless arrest for minor offense is constitutional. Statement on record. Y'all can't pat me down. I want a female officer to pat me down. Legal analyzes search incident to arrest. A search incident to arrest must be conducted reasonably. Cross-gender pat-downs raise Fourth Amendment and privacy concerns. Fourth Amendment U.S. Constitution Florence Va. Board of Chosen Freeholders, 566 U.S. 318201 Strip Search Standards, Bell v. Wolfish, 441 U.S. 5201979 Reasonableness Balancing Test for Custodial Searches. Many jurisdictions mandate or strongly prefer same-gender searches absent exigent circumstances. Statement on record. Can you loosen this? Look at my wrist. This one is tight. Officer, I can fit 2 fingers in here. That's all we need. Legal analysis. 4th Amendment, use of force. Excessively tight handcuffs constitute unreasonable seizure, where the subject objects and the officer fails to adjust without justification. 4th Amendment, U.S. Constitution Bastien v. Goddard, 279 F. 3D10 first. Sir, 2002 tight handcuffs equals 4th Amendment claim if officer ignores complaint. Lyons v. City of Los Angeles, 461 U.S. 951983. Two-finger rule is a common field standard but is not a statutory safe harbor against liability. 1. Threats are actionable. Verbal threats to destroy property or to commit violence are independently chargeable, independent of any subsequent physical act. MPC Section 211, 3250. 2. Art. Accidental contact with a minor is not a defense. The law does not recognize accidental battery during a property dispute as a complete defense, especially where a minor sustains injury. MPC Section 3063A. Probable cause does not require contraband. An officer's determination of probable cause is based on the totality of circumstances. Eyewitness testimony, visible injuries, and observed conduct suffice. Illinois v. Gates 1983, Maryland v. Pringle 2003. Know your search rights. A detained person may assert the right to a same-gender search. This request should be made calmly and on record, not as confrontation, but as a legal right invocation. Fourth Amendment, Florence v. Board 2012. Handcuff complaints must be documented. Any complaint of physical pain from restraints must be verbally stated clearly and repeated if ignored. Documentation of injury creates the evidentiary record required for a Section 1983 civil rights claim, 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 civil action for deprivation of rights. Defense of others is not equal to unlimited license. A parent's right to defend their child is bounded by proportionality. Threatening language plus escalatory conduct transforms a defense claim into a criminal offense. MPC z paragrafu 3,05. MPC z paragrafu 211,3. End of legal analysis. All citations are based on federal constitutional law, the Model Penal Code, and U.S. Supreme Court precedent. State-specific statutes Illinois may apply additional or stricter standards. 9 Grant